Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance on your computer. First, navigate to the Binance website and begin by registering for a new account. You can use either your email address or a mobile phone number for this initial step. After registration, complete the necessary identity verification process to unlock all features and increase your daily limits. Remember to enable two-factor authentication for enhanced security. Once your account is set up, the next step is to fund it. You have several options for depositing funds. You can transfer existing cryptocurrency from another wallet directly to your Binance account. Alternatively, you can purchase crypto using fiat currency, such as US dollars or euros, by linking a bank account or using a debit or credit card. Choose the method that best suits your needs. With funds in your account, you're ready to start trading. Binance offers a wide range of trading pairs across different markets. You can choose between spot, margin, or futures trading depending on your strategy. When placing an order, you can select a limit order to set a specific price, a market order for instant execution, or a stop limit order for more advanced control. Always monitor your open orders. Finally, managing your assets effectively is crucial. Binance provides a comprehensive overview of your portfolio, allowing you to track your balances and performance. When you wish to move your crypto, you can withdraw it to an external wallet or another exchange. Familiarize yourself with the different wallet types available on Binance, such as spot and funding wallets, to ensure smooth asset management.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.